What have you done for the world, Mr. United Nations? At yung tao na yung expert ninyo, let me, if he comes here to tell him straight, Mayor Duterte would ask only 5 questions to prove that you're stupid. And I told you wait because I have to do something about this. He said, I do not want to insult you. But maybe we'll just have to decide to separate from the United Nations. Kung ganun kayo kabastos, putang ina, umalis na kami dyan sa inyo. Repercussions, I don't give a to them. They are the ones interfering. You know what? They should have started it with the protocol. No, they would have said somebody to talk to me. Or at least the rapporteur. You do not go out and just give a statement against